Kicking off our list is the Neuafa blockage detector, an absolute lifesaver when you are dealing with mysterious pipeline clogs. Instead of ripping out drywall or digging up your yard blind, this diagnostic scanner pinpoints the exact location of the blockage. It uses a waterproof probe and a receiver to trace the clog straight through your walls or floors. This takes the guesswork entirely out of plumbing repairs and saves you hours of back-breaking frustration. If you are a DIY plumber or just a homeowner trying to avoid expensive repair bills, this is a must-have gadget. Next up, we have the Anning MT87 clamp multimeter, which proves that essential electrical diagnostics do not have to drain your wallet. This compact digital tester safely measures AC current up to 400 amps without requiring you to strip or break the live wire. It also handles standard voltage and resistance testing up to 600 volts, making it incredibly versatile for everyday household electrical work. The built-in data hold function is incredibly handy when you are working in tight spaces and cannot see the screen immediately. Whether you are checking car batteries or household circuits, it delivers reliable 1999 count precision every single time you use it. For the precision tinkerers out there, this 58-in-1 electric screwdriver set is a complete game-changer for small electronics repair. It packs an incredible variety of bits into a tiny, rechargeable wireless kit perfect for fixing phones, watches, or laptops. The motorized driver saves your wrists from repetitive strain while applying just the right amount of torque for delicate screws. Its compact, pen-like design feels natural in your hand and fits easily into any small toolbox or desk drawer. Say goodbye to stripping tiny screws and hello to effortless, lightning-fast gadget repairs. If you need serious power, the Gisam brushless electric impact wrench delivers a jaw-dropping 1800 Newton-meters of torque. This half-inch cordless beast easily breaks loose the most stubborn, rusted lug nuts on your car or truck. It is designed to be compatible with Makita 18-volt batteries, making it a highly cost-effective addition if you already own that battery platform. The brushless motor ensures better efficiency, less heat, and a much longer lifespan than older brushed models. It is the perfect heavy-duty companion for any garage mechanic tired of wrestling with breaker bars. Moving on to versatility, this LCD adjustable mini heat gun is surprisingly feature-packed for its extremely compact size. Unlike basic models, it features a digital display allowing you to dial in the exact temperature you need for the job. It comes bundled with 4 different nozzles, making it perfect for shrink wrapping, paint stripping, or electrical heat shrink tubing. The thermal blower is small enough to navigate tight spaces but powerful enough to handle serious construction drying tasks. It is an affordable, highly controllable heat source that belongs on every single DIY workbench. Crafting and detailed metalwork are made incredibly easy with the new Akalox variable speed mini grinder machine. This USB rechargeable rotary tool frees you from restrictive power cords while you are working on delicate projects. It arrives with a massive 126-piece accessory kit, giving you everything you need for engraving, polishing, sanding, and drilling right out of the box. The variable speed control lets you match the RPMs perfectly to your material, preventing burning or accidental damage. It is an all-in-one portable crafting powerhouse that offers truly unbeatable value for hobbyists. Every home needs a reliable drill, and the A-Near Power 21-volt wireless mini impact drill punches way above its weight class. Powered by an efficient brushless motor, it provides smooth, consistent torque for both drilling and driving screws. What makes this incredibly appealing is its compatibility with Makita batteries, offering a cheap entry point into pro-tier cordless power. The compact size helps reduce hand fatigue during long projects and allows you to fit into cramped cabinets effortlessly. It is a fantastic, budget-friendly workhorse for everything from assembling furniture to building backyard decks. Keeping your workspace clean while ensuring precise alignment is the magic of this 2-in-1 drill dust collector and laser level. This ingenious gadget uses an electric vacuum sucker to mount itself perfectly flat onto your wall without leaving any marks. As you drill through the center guide, it actively catches all the falling drywall or concrete dust, keeping your floors spotless. The integrated 360-degree rotatable laser level then ensures your pictures, shelves, or mounts are perfectly straight. It essentially acts as a helpful second pair of hands for any household wall mounting project. For electronics enthusiasts, the Pine 64 Pinesol is widely considered one of the best value smart soldering irons ever created. It runs on a USB Type-C PD 3.0 power supply or a standard DC jack, meaning you can power it with a laptop charger or a power bank. It heats up to working temperature in mere seconds and maintains incredibly precise thermal control during your solder joints. This specific bundle includes an extra soldering iron tip kit, giving you the flexibility to tackle both micro soldering and larger wire connections. It is a sleek, open-source tool that effortlessly rivals soldering stations costing 5 times as much. Never blindly drill into a wall again thanks to the Sunmay electronic stud finder and wall scanner. This digital detector easily locates the exact center of wood and metal studs hidden behind your drywall. More importantly, it features an AC wire and pipe detection mode, protecting you from potentially disastrous plumbing or electrical accidents. The clear LCD screen and built-in laser level provide visual guidance, making it foolproof even for absolute beginners. It is an inexpensive insurance policy that ensures your DIY hanging projects are always safe and secure. If you are dreading a massive painting project, the ProStormer 750W electric spray gun will save you countless hours. This high-volume, low-pressure system holds a massive 1,200 milliliters of paint, reducing the number of times you need to stop and refill. It includes 4 different nozzle sizes and a flow control knob, allowing you to spray anything from thin stains to thick latex paints. The even spray pattern provides a smooth, professional finish on furniture or fences that you simply cannot get with a brush. It completely takes the physical exhaustion out of large-scale household painting chores. Precision is paramount when working on cars or bikes, and the Goyojo digital torque adapter turns any standard ratchet into a precision instrument. Instead of buying multiple expensive mechanical torque wrenches, you simply attach this digital meter directly between your wrench and socket. It features a clear electronic display that gives you real-time torque readings to prevent over-tightening and snapping bolts. With adapters for 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2-inch drives, it covers nearly every single fastener size in your garage. It is a brilliantly cost-effective way to achieve professional-level fastening accuracy on your vehicles. Cutting sheet goods is an absolute breeze with the Patuo Pro 6-inch brushless compact circular saw. This highly portable power tool is incredibly maneuverable, making it perfect for quick cuts in wood, metal, or ceramic tiles without lugging out a massive table saw. It utilizes a highly efficient brushless motor that maximizes runtime and power output from its Makita 18-volt compatible battery slot. The smaller 6-inch blade allows for tighter control and less kickback, making it much less intimidating for casual DIYers. It is a fantastic cordless cutting solution that easily handles the vast majority of home renovation tasks. Electrical work speeds up dramatically when you have the LAOA fully automatic wire stripping pliers in your tool belt. With a single squeeze, these clever nippers grab the cable, cut the jacket, and cleanly pull the insulation away without nicking the copper inside. They are fully adjustable, meaning you can strip a wide variety of wire gauges without constantly switching tools or manually adjusting blades. The integrated cable cutter near the handle adds even more utility to this multifunctional electrician's tool. It takes all the tedious, finger-cramping labor out of wiring new outlets or automotive electrical systems. Every toolbox needs a problem solver, and the Yo-Fidra brushless oscillating multi-tool is exactly that. Whether you are plunge-cutting drywall, trimming baseboards in place, or sanding tight corners, the high-speed vibration easily tackles awkward jobs. This specific model is a massive money saver because it is designed to run perfectly on your existing DeWalt 20-volt battery packs. The brushless motor ensures it will not bog down under pressure, while the cordless design lets you take it absolutely anywhere. It is the ultimate rescue tool for woodworking and complex home remodeling tasks. Say goodbye to annoying tangled power cords with the Hilda cordless electric hot melt glue gun. Designed to fit Makita 18-volt batteries, this tool brings heavy-duty, portable gluing power right to your crafting table or workshop. It uses standard 11mm glue sticks and features a precision nozzle for applying adhesives exactly where you need them without massive messes. The enhanced safety features and stable base mean you can set it down securely without worrying about burning your workbench. It heats up fast and pushes glue smoothly, making it an essential tool for quick repairs and DIY crafts. For the serious electronics lab, the Fnerzi DPS 150 programmable bench power supply is an absolute steal. It delivers highly regulated, adjustable DC power up to 30 volts and 5 amps, giving you incredibly precise control over your circuit testing. The digital interface allows you to program specific voltage and current limits, protecting your delicate components from accidental fryouts. Despite its professional-grade features, it takes up a remarkably small footprint on your crowded workbench. It is a reliable, high-quality power source that gives you the confidence to test and diagnose electronics safely. Woodworkers looking for perfect joints will absolutely love this self-centering doweling jig kit. This mechanical guide automatically centers itself on boards of varying thicknesses, ensuring your drill bit goes perfectly straight down the middle every time. It eliminates the complex measurements and math usually required for creating strong, hidden dowel joints in furniture making. The kit also doubles as a pocket hole jig, making it a highly versatile vertical center puncher for all types of cabinetry. It is a heavy-duty, idiot-proof tool that instantly elevates the quality and strength of your woodworking projects. Stepping up to metal fabrication, the R-Captain 6-in-1 welding machine brings professional welding capabilities straight to your home garage. This 220V 200-amp inverter handles everything from gas and gasless MIG welding to MMA and lift TIG, making it incredibly adaptable to different metals. The semi-automatic synergic settings help absolute beginners dial in their voltage and wire feed speeds easily. Advanced features like 2T and 4T trigger locks reduce hand fatigue on those long, continuous weld beads. It is a compact, powerful, all-around welder that offers unbeatable value for automotive repair and metal crafting. If you want a flawless finish on your cabinets or fences, the Tilswall 800W electric paint sprayer has you covered. Its massive 1,300 milliliter container lets you paint for longer stretches, while the powerful 800-watt motor easily atomizes thicker paints. You can choose from 3 different spray patterns and utilize 4 nozzle sizes to perfectly customize the flow for your specific project. The split design makes it incredibly easy to detach the motor and wash the paint-covered components in the sink when you are done. It is an incredibly user-friendly DIY tool that turns weekend painting chores into a quick, satisfying afternoon task. Drying your car or clearing dust just became incredibly fun with this jet fan violent air blower. Featuring a high-speed 40mm brushless motor, this handheld turbine produces a massive 500 grams of thrust to blast away water droplets instantly. It completely eliminates the need for drying towels, preventing ugly micro-scratches on your car's delicate clear coat after a wash. Beyond car detailing, it is also fantastic for blowing out dusty computer cases, cleaning shop floors, or stoking campfires. It is a pocket-sized hurricane that packs an unbelievable amount of power into a tiny form factor. Keep your vehicle's paint looking showroom fresh with the Baytaka S2 cordless car polisher. The 8mm dual-action orbital motion prevents you from burning through the clear coat, making it incredibly safe for amateur detailers to use. Because it is completely wireless and comes with a 4.0 amp-hour battery, you will not be dragging a power cord across your freshly washed car. The 5-inch backing plate is the perfect size for safely navigating around curves, mirrors, and tight body panels. It is the ultimate tool for applying wax, removing swirl marks, and bringing out a deep mirror-like shine. Wrapping up our massive list is the AliExpress rotary hammer drill, a concrete-busting monster built for heavy demolition. What makes this tool truly special is that it brings 2.6 joules of impact energy while running perfectly on your existing Milwaukee M18 battery packs. It features 4 distinct modes, allowing you to seamlessly switch between standard drilling, hammer drilling, and pure chiseling. The 360-degree rotating handle gives you the perfect grip angle for maximum leverage, while the SDS Plus chuck ensures lightning-fast bit changes. It is a rugged, brushless powerhouse that makes drilling into solid masonry feel like cutting through butter. That's a wrap on today's ultimate budget tool roundup. Let me know down in the comments which one you're grabbing first. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more epic gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.